Hello friends. Now accept all friend requests on Facebook at a time. First go to www.facebook.com. After that search www.facebook.com/reqs.php. After this you need to copy and paste JavaScript in address bar. And at the starting type JavaScript and don't forget to put colon after JavaScript. Then hit enter. Now you can watch that all friend requests are accepted automatically. If this video have helped you, then please hit like button, and if you like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. Have provided JavaScript code in the description and also check link of my official website. Thank you.